Hi, I'm Lisa Cahoon.
And I'm Carrie Dixon, and we are both social studies learning leaders at Marshall Springs School.
Social studies is an interdisciplinary subject that fosters students' understanding of and involvement in the practical and ethical issues that face their communities and humankind.
Through working closely with the English Language Arts team, we are focusing specifically on teaching students how to communicate their ideas persuasively through speaking, writing, and representing.
Through meaningful tasks and in conjunction with current events, students are provided with opportunities to develop the attitudes, skills, and knowledge to enable them to become engaged, active, informed, and responsible citizens. In light of the current political, economic, and social challenges being faced here and around the world, it is incredibly important for students to be able to look at events from multiple perspectives, especially those that significantly differ from their own. Key ideas we focus on are empathy, justice, respect for diversity, and supporting the equality of all people.
Social studies is considered a core class. You will have this class every day for about 60 minutes. This is what a typical classroom may look like.
The majority of our classrooms have a set of 15 Chromebooks. This allows students easy access to technology to complete their work. As well, our Learning Commons has a computer lab and iPads for classes to sign out as needed.
I think social studies is a welcoming and calm environment. The classroom gets me ready to learn and listen. This is a subject where we get to learn about our rich history. Social studies is an important topic because it can help you a lot in the future.
I think it's important to know your history so you don't repeat it. I love learning about historical events and all the points of view.
Our teachers offer a broad range of approaches for teaching and learning. Some possible opportunities may include completing a research project, listening to a public speaker, creating a dramatization, participating in online simulation games, taking part in student vote, engaging in entrepreneurial challenges, and building representations of their learning.
Opportunities are provided for students to develop an appreciation of the many different people and cultures that call Canada home, as well as those that were here before. When planning, teachers provide opportunities for all students to develop a knowledge and understanding of and respect for the histories, cultures, contributions, perspectives, and experiences of Canada's Indigenous peoples.
We look forward to welcoming you to Marshall Springs School. See you in September.